Hey everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to cover this ring using nylon thread. So we are going to tie a knot on the top of it. We are using this yellow color of thread, and you have to fold it like this and remove the other end like we are doing here. Pull it tightly. Similar way, here we are going to cover the entire ring like this and leave a small portion open. After this, we are going to make a large loop. As you can see, you can take help of this straw. Here we are going to overlap the straw and cover it using the other side of the thread like this. Now look carefully. Here we are going to remove the end of the thread inside the straw and simply remove the straw and pull the thread as well. Now we are going to adjust the rings by twisting it. Look how we are doing here in this video, and look, it's ready. Now cut the extra part and using lighter we are going to fix the ends, paste it, and look, it's done. Here we are going to fold this green color of nylon thread and make two loops and tie a knot at the center. Now remove the end from both the holes and we are going to tie a knot here. After removing it, we are going to pull it tightly, and look, your knot is ready. Let's make the design now. So we are going to overlap the end of the green color of nylon thread and make this leaf pattern and remove it from the center hole. Look, like we are doing here in this video. Do the same from other side as well. Pull it tightly and look, your design is ready. Here we are going to fold the nylon thread and make a design like this. Now remove the end using both the hole. Look how we are doing here and you will get this design. After making this design, you have to remove the end from the center part. Now gently remove all the threads. Here we are going to make a knot. Remove it like this and pull it tightly from the other end, and look, it's done. You can cut the extra part. Here we're going to use this black color of thread and remove the end by making a loop, and look, you have to pull it tightly. You will get this beautiful design on the top. Look how beautiful this is looking. Decorate it further by putting a pearl, and look, it's done. We are going to take this thread and tie the lid and handle of the ceramic pot together. Now place it down. Here we're going to measure the length of the thread. After measuring it, let's make a beautiful design. Here we're going to tie a knot at the top of the lid. Look like this. Now take both the end and again we're going to tie a knot. Here we're going to repeat the same process over and over again and make this beautiful design on the top of it. After making the knot like here we are doing in this video, we are going to hold it and put it on the top of the pot like this. Now cut the extra threads like we're doing here, and using lighter we are going to fix the loose ends from both sides, and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.